Yeah, you can shut down your mic.
Mute, mute, please.
Thank you. Okay. See, so basically, no, one second. What was the doubt? So you understood the process, na?
Yeah.
The first process. What we did, we went to feature an option today. We clicked music condition. We executed screeners. Correct? Because I'm just repeating the process because suddenly you'll say what happened. I went little fast because I had to show me. Then I clicked on trend rank. Correct? Then I listed the stocks. Then I got the Fajaz Sinfa, Bangalore, Berger Paint, I was in all these stocks. Then these stocks I took because they have higher volumes. So I had a look there. So then I took those and then started looking at their patterns because I need other support resistance setups. Then I also got other stocks like Colgate and all that. These stocks. So now when I opened the chart. So this is Bajaj Finserv stock. So it comes from the same support resistance. So I'm just trying to validate because do I have reversal coming from similar? Huh?
Isn't that like a head and shoulders the Bajaj? Finance?
Yeah, so I'm saying, so it's a good pattern. No? Any head and shoulder pattern is a good pattern to trade either way, right? So you should take a suitable bet, right? So I'm saying, see, this is like a W pattern and stuff. So I'm saying, if it works out either side, there should be money to be made. So take a suitable bet. Berger Paint. They're all making similar kind, right?
HDFC. Right?
It was there in that list.
No.
Then I'm not going like that. I need a software to scan for me. Okay, so here your support resistance level. If you say it's coming, it came from here. This is one support, na? From here it rose. This is also support. This is also
Which one is it?
India Bulls also. And the user choice award of the day, Colgate Palmolive.
So then it will go up.
I'm not saying go here. I'm saying you can take a call. I just drew the support resistance to show. You have multiple support resistance. It is there in that the list of the things. You saw this now because I closed this. Otherwise, how will you? I opened so many windows, my resource. But you saw this reverse from here. It has taken a 3 bounce back from similar, reversed with a thing. So you can take a call. This is it clear? So putting a stop loss here should make you fine. Feel good. Okay. So let's close this. And you wanted to see what the here there Harami. It's written. If you get Petronet has a hammer also. Hammer was formed in Petronet. If you open Petronet, you will get. But there are so many stocks. You can see whichever you like. I put the list, and you can do it. It's available for everyone. I'm just doing this same exercise, and I give it.
Screen our own.
Yeah. Yes. Go and put in your watch list. If you put the stocks in your watch list, and how do you go and put in your watch list? You go to my cockpit, go to my profile. My watch list. Go to your watch list and enter whatever stock. Now my watch list is a little bit because I use for training and all that. Now, so don't go for my watch list. But your watch list can be whatever stock you want to add. You can also choose like you want to add this symbol, that symbol. You want to add all these stocks in your watch list. You can just one click, all will get added. All 50 will get added. All 20 will get added.
And also earlier you showed that
intraday. And there is also there is a button in all this. If something is not added in a watch list, you can get it added. See, like when we scanned, one second. That list had come in the dashboard, no? Intraday dashboard or watch list you want to see? This watch groups intraday.
Okay. I can add the
Once you add to your watch list, you run here all your watch list. If I add this, if I run this, huge list will come. Let me just run on because I have got huge number of stocks. I have exited most of these. So 3 stocks which I had exited earlier. So all the 3 I can see. What was the future? What was the pattern? What happened? So these 2 had bullish setup. These didn't have any setup. Probably a breakout setup. So like that I can see all this kind.
What is the TSL?
What is TSL? Trailing stop loss. The same thing number which was appearing is appearing here. Na? So you had even okay. For example, okay, it's clear. So you can, and in watch list also you have what options. Suppose you want to make multiple watch groups, then you can make watch group. You can whatever you want to add, you can make multiple groups, and then scan that group. You can have exit group, entry group.
Okay.
portfolio group,
That will have,
brothers portfolio group.
that will have all the facility, all these charts.
Yeah, everything will have. So once you open that, charts and all you can open. You can click one click. So so these were the options which I used. Same thing on investment dashboard. If I go and check what is worth investing today. So if I say okay in TC value list, watch list, what is turning up today? Because it could be a value buy for me. So it will scan and give me okay these are the stocks which are value buy, which are also fundamental value. So GAIL, JK Cement and PTC itself.
So what about RSI?
In this, JK Cement is a better option because in GAIL there's a now is a PTC are the long term trend is not right now conducive. So I would go for JK Cement. Yeah.
What about RSI and all? How can we see that?
Chart to be added, no?
No, sir.
Screener.
Yeah, screener.
No. In screener, then you have so I'm saying customizable.
Along with that.
No. Along with that, you open any chart. Huh? See, when you open a chart, add here whatever you want to add. Volume, RSI, whatever you add, it will get added.
Yeah. If you want above 70 RSI.
No. Scanner you are asking.
Yeah, scan that.
Yeah, scanner I was trying to open just now. That's what I was trying to open. Scanner I'll open here. Go to charts, tools. Okay. Go to tools and there are ready to scanners. So go to click on more so that you can see. Now you can see there is real time scanner, intraday scanner, end of day scanner. So if you click this, all the options are available. RSI, PSR crossover. RSI above so and so. Where is RSI?
Can set the values. And
Yeah, you can set the values. Where is it? If you do can't see RSI, you can search for RSI. Yeah, here it is.
There in the first column.
Yeah, first column here. RSI crossing 70, crossed above 70. So this is crossed over 70. So you can go back and check. Are these any one of those matches, whatever we're discussing? The stock which is crossed 60 and made a bullish formation. I don't think so that stock is waiting for Karnataka. Because stock is going to do well now. Doesn't matter. But stock specific, country specific is in Nifty specific more. How much you think Karnataka election will make difference to Nestle performance? So I am saying if you get Nestle or something here, then that's like still kind of So I'm saying so that's why I'm saying you can scan this and you will find different reasons. Nestle company result will affect Nestle. Correct. So that is an event which I'll watch for. What is?
That also they come that details come.
Yeah. I saw. I think I forgot to show. Maybe I'll show you. If you see here in the dashboard, when I ran intraday dashboard, you can see the which results are coming when. For example, on the right side, upcoming. The 17th you are getting Bajaj Finserv. So your trade is up to 17th. Even if you trade Bajaj Finserv. On Colpal is up to 21st. So you have some time. So that's almost a week time. So you can run a week rally. You can get a weekly. Just buy in cash in 1 week and check by next one day. Nothing else. Okay. But do trade properly. I just do. Okay. But basically so I'm saying you can do it. So we give you that in case if there is any event is coming up, you can get it. Or any case that we give you 3 views. There's an announcement view. If you go there also you can see.
and in Technical, the development concept is just before the non-event, the trade closes.
For non-event. Yeah, trade closes. Yeah. And then post-event again.
Then post-event. So result all these are events. Because the behavior may not continue as per because
on that day your stop loss will trigger, after next day it will come back to same point. So you don't want that to happen. You stay away and come back. It's much safer. Play after the lottery is out. If you tell me this is the lottery result, then I say give me lottery. Not before. Why are you trying to do this? That's what I'm saying. Here you have much better options to do. So why you try to do stuff before? Okay. Now this was a big thing. I actually nowadays don't use this. That's why I struggled. But now I'll show you what I use. I use this. This is the same thing. Everything is here. This is very easily stacked. Now you want momentum indicator, leading indicator, RSI. This is a new version of the same thing. It is much modern. This is mobile friendly. That was old version, 2012 version. This is 2016 version. So this is mobile friendly. That was desktop friendly. But that has a one view of everything. This is whatever you want. Just
So there is a development team fully working on this. This one.
One second. So you understood. So we can run screeners. Let me just run
So
screeners.
under one.
Yeah, there is a development tab. That's what I was. If you go to Traders Cockpit, see there is a company about this. Our company name is Gamsam Lab Software Solution, right? We write software for other companies.
Write software for
Other companies.
Oh, it's a
Like-
software development.
Yeah, we have a contract with Edelweiss also.
Okay.
So if you become their
This
customers,
is the
tomorrow in
proprietary
future you
course.
may get some features in their software because in their software will enable.
And this is the own software. Traders Cockpit.
This is our own software. We make our own for directly because these guys will price is not in our control because they have wealthy customers, na? They will use it. They will give some feature to some. Here we are democratic. We give you all features. They will say ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये हम अपने top वाले को देंगे. So they will charge their own fees. They will rebrand. So we give. So we power a lot of other softwares. So we write software. So we have enterprise software division.
This was in existence from
2012. I told you now we have 3 divisions. We have a Traders Cockpit division. So we have a direct MF division, which I am going to show, which I use software which I suggest you should use for your wealth creation. Which and everybody, not wealth, even day-to-day finance management,
this
everything.
one or different.
Different one. This is for short term.
Okay.
This is for regular.
Okay.
And the third one is the enterprise software, where we write software, similar software, we write for other guys to enable them for their platforms for them. So we okay. So now so that's what. So we write software, and that's what. So I was trying to show that. What was I trying to show that?
RSI screeners.
Yeah. So
You went to the
so
latest
yeah.
screen at 2016 version.
Correct. So this is the one. So I logged it, or I am in Chrome. Okay, I should be in
It's in that.
Safari. Yeah. So here you can open anything. Suppose EOD technical screener. Okay, you can select any stock, sector, whichever you want to stock, market cap. You have so much. If you click this, so you can choose any kind of thing. And once you have made your screeners, suppose, and then you like suppose let's do some say RSI. Yeah. RSI crossed over 70. Okay. And then say candle also, let's put some candle condition. Candle type is decisive bullish. Okay. Now above 70 decisive bullish. Now, do I want to run for all stocks or for my watch list or something? So say, let's say I say FNO. Or no, this is sorry, this is sector. Sector is if you like some people like transportation, logistics, ये वो सब theme होता है ना, oil. Because if you see something going up and you feel that is a momentum in that direction, sector is a thematic sector which you can pick up from your other industry knowledge which you have. Sometimes you work in some software industry and somehow you see something's happening and you want to catch that. That is like because there is a rule that whatever you do other work in life, if you bring some knowledge of that in, that actually increases your trading efficiency. This is a seen across. So people who work in metal industries are generally good in metal stocks. People who work in software industry are generally good in software stocks because they kind of have they know that this actually will turn around, or dollar is going up, the dollar will affect your software earnings. So you will be able to see those effects. Now see, rupee has depreciated quite a bit. You see that is made software stocks go up like anything. You see, it is kind of related. But you don't have to go and trade that with this. You can trade TCS with TCS only. There's enough signal here, right? But I'm saying somehow you become good because you pick up those information in a normal business anyway, right? So I've seen people who are good in agriculture generally do very well in MCX agriculture and all, because they have the in-house, somehow they know the seasons are coming, this is coming. So if you bring any external knowledge into it, you will do well. That is no doubt in that. So I'm saying if you have that knowledge kind of thing, you can use your sector choices and all. But assuming I am using I'll go to stocks. Now let me just run this just to show. And then let me say I am choosing it. There is one more option. One second. The scope sector. Okay, type of stock. Only future option, suppose I do. Okay, now I have execute. So it has given me one stock, Asian Paint. Okay. So Asian Paint is in buy stocks. It's a fundamental stock. It's a good stock. You can anyway do SIP. You can do investment. So it can come under any category. It's a high ROE stock. It has all fundamental stock. And it's loved by all fund managers. I can tell you for guarantee. Okay. So now it has come in that category. It is formed. So you have one stock picked. Now if you like this screener every time you want, and this should come automatically, then what you can do?
Save today.
So there is a save button. Save screener.
Okay.
If you save screeners, then every day this will send you email. You don't have to come here and watch.
SMS.
SMS, send only on my watch list, send email. And for intraday screeners, you get options like every 15 minutes you want the screener to run and send SMS. So it will auto scan every 15 minutes. Then the frequency of the message goes very high. So then we have given a time interval that within this time to this time you want to send, then send. Otherwise, too much comes. For example, high volume price breakout. I generally prefer it to come after 12 o'clock. Because in morning first hour, anyway, a lot of high volume things happen, which is not necessarily real. But something happens around 1:30, 2 o'clock, high volume. That is interesting. You saw, na? You've seen that at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Because that time you are not expecting and this happens. You know why it happens? Because they are anticipating आज रात में कुछ होने वाला है. अब जिसको पता वो कर रहा है, हम लोग को तो इससे ही पता है. So I will set up those timings like that, so that every trade I will not take. There's a window in which I'll take. So you can set up windows in intraday screenings. That within this to this, add frequency of every 15 minutes. Frequency should be set up as per time frame. There's no point screening something faster than that, right? It will give the same result twice. So you have all these options available. You can save this. This will save screeners. You can combine this with a lot of stuff. You have indecisive screeners also. Okay. So like suppose you want, okay, this is already decisive, some indecisive. So you have that. You have so many things. So huge amount. You also want to see, now iska delivery percentage aaj zyada hai. But this number is only useful if you know what is historical delivery percentage.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's no रोजी stock delivery में ज़्यादा trade होता है तो रोजी 70%. There is nothing special. Special तब होता है कि जिसका normal 30 और आज 70. Then special. So that you could have seen from chart. We have a delivery percentage chart also and all that. So यहाँ पर है
is capturing the volume, right?
delivery percentage is different from volume.
No, that's the delivery of the stocks. Right?
हाँ, so that only comes in the end of the day. So see here na delivery percentage more than 5 days average. So use something like this. We have milled all these kind of intelligence, which I have not used, but I am saying you can use depending on what you have found interesting, useful.
Where do you see delivery on the chart?
Delivery you don't see on the chart. There is a separate, because it's a separate data sent separately after market hour. Because NSE also does not know what is delivery na. After 3:30, after 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, NSE figures out what is. Then it sends us. Then we have a separate chart. We have a delivery percentage. If you search somewhere, it will be there.
What are premium patterns?
Yeah. So now I'll show you premium stuff. Okay.
So the
Premium stuff is candlestick and all that. Candlestick, divergence, the chart patterns. We have the downtrend broken, uptrend broken, all the alerts are there. So I can show you that. And then we have got candlestick patterns, all candlestick patterns from doji, star, engulfing, bullish, all that. And then divergence patterns, if you can want to see any divergence happening on any stock. And all these are part of that, premium patterns. I will show you some extra premium patterns.
The on-balance volume is here.
On-balance volume is not there, it is integrated in the dashboard. Because on-balance volume, it is not just it should break multiple highs. Na? It's a little critical algorithm. So it is part of the dashboard. It's not available here.
So
as a part.
the dashboard takes it.
Dashboard takes care of that. Okay. So in that, okay. So now here, if you look here, what I was trying to show?
Premium.
Premium. So in premium, we have made some premium stuff. We call it advanced proprietary indicator. These are only available in our charts. Okay. Because we only have created for our research. Now you see this is Nifty. But do you know from anywhere from this where the trend actually got changed, where you should start looking to buy rather than sell? You can't make out of it. Now I'll make a proprietary indicator, which is called TCFL. Traders copied floating levels which track this.
Yeah, this was there in your figures.
Yeah, now you know. This is the most important support resistance for stock. This is automatically drawn. You see, for this day onwards, this line is there, right? It has not changed. It exactly comes here and reverses. It's a short trade. You don't have to draw. It selects the most important. See, there is one is every support resistance. This is the most important ones. Most important ones, if it is below, it will keep going below. And even if it enters, it will turn down. But if it breaks and goes above, then what it is?
Change
Change of trend. Now it's a buy on dip from this point onwards. Before that, sell on rise. These are sell on rise. You can see the rise, fall is so sharp. So this was not like this. It got changed somewhere here. Before that, it was buy on dip policy. Is to dip, is to buy. See, after elections, we would have got and this. Understand? So we use this to, these are positional stuff. We have intraday also for this. For intraday, since this calculation is little tough, intraday we have only for Nifty and Bank Nifty. In a 30-minute and 60-minute chart. You can apply here. Here if you go and check, TCFL is available for intraday for 30-minute and 60-minute chart.
Let's see how it looks in the 16 minute.
Yeah, you can check. If I change this from 60-minute, sorry, I have to refresh this
You developed this.
And this, we have developed this. So you can see it came exactly here, bounced from here, and then broke out here, again came back, bounced from here. You have just trade position. This 60-minute intraday support is most important. It never went below this, so it never went short.
Oh, only if it crosses.
Yeah,
it
this is
should
the most
be a short.
important. Yeah, it should
Okay.
go here and make a bearish formation. It should go above and makes a bullish formation.
Okay.
Above this is only buy. Below this is only. Even if it breaks down here, expect it to first target it because this is the next level.
Right.
Till it crosses very comprehensive. And I'll show you on all the chart. This is short term. You already are seeing in long term. So let me go back to daily because daily I have more stuff to show in this. So you have an intraday also 30, 60 and in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you're trading those two, you can use this. Okay, because 80% of the market is in that only in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Most of the things use. So now you see here you don't see any stuff. So now I'll make it 3 years. Then you can see this data for 3 years because you can see almost a lot of data and then plot TCFL. And then you can see where all the signals based on TCFL you can see. So these are all buy signals. These are breakout signals. So whenever it bounced back and came back, this is like a 3-star for and the bounce to is a buy. So it comes to that level. It bounce here and bounce back, it's a buy. Because above that only buy. It comes back, you buy. Because that is a buy side, this sell side. So on this area, we're never selling. You saw all this area. We are buy from where? You know, when I gave the article on January, when I saw this, I went buy now. That is why. Because it changed this trend, which was like this before. Now you know all this shooting star, all the reversal. It got changed here. From here that this rally happened. 11,001.
So this is the shortcut.
This is the shortcut for me.
Okay.
If somebody asks me what to do, I just put this and tell you what to do. Because if there are so many people say, sir, yes, talk about, talk about. So I've given this tool only. Now you have this tool with. So part of this I am using in dashboard only. So that it saves your time, energy to online. But I'm saying if you use, you can use yourself. So these are buy side trades. Because when it's above, you are in buy side. When you're below, sell side. When you're in between, you are in consolidation side. So whichever side it breaks.
This is orange band, right? It's
Yeah.
supported in this band.
Correct.
These are on buy side.
Yeah, these are buy side. So you almost 8-9 months you never had to kind of look for before it changes the trend and then it. So if it breaks out on the other side, you will come to know because it will break out. So and these levels are drawn. You see, for days it don't change. Then it changes calculation. See, just like support resistance, they don't change. See, it's flat. So it comes here rejected, comes here rejected, comes here rejected. These levels are drawn and drawn, and then it closes here and then it has now moved the other side. So this Nifty keeps changing the sides. And we kept on knowing which side. So on this side, we are only buying, and we are much more happy now after buying in this side because we have separated clearly now which direction you have to, and you can run on this any stock. So we have this tool. We call it TCFL, and I'll show you this power of this tool. Another, we have got one more tool, and that tool is called trend lines. It will automatically draw trend lines. Will give you breakouts. Okay, so like this, a down trend line. Bullish breakout. So basically it will draw trend lines. Whenever there is a breakout, you know the breakout is a trend change. So you should go along. So this is the first breakout. Here you should have gone along. You know, Marabozo, first divergence. First signal was here. Second signal was this. Third signal was this. Because this gap. So it never went below this. No? It even came back rested from this. So these are 3 signals on this downtrend. And every time, because this is downtrend tracking, so when it came out, here it became sideways because it didn't go up, broke previous high. So it went sideways and then it went down, and then this automatically, see, this is like a trend line drawing. See, it was drawing this trend line, okay? Then you saw the trend line became sharper, it automatically changed it. It is like me sitting inside, I program it like that. So that you don't come and ask me to draw trend line. Because that's why you saw I draw trend line so late. Earlier I used to teach you early and people used to struggle how to draw. So then I wrote a software which will draw. Okay, see this for downtrend. When uptrend is running, then it will change the trend line automatically. It will become a uptrend line. So you have to just go and plot and it will become uptrend. So now if I draw an uptrend line, uptrend will give you bearish breakup. So it will automatically draw. So this line was drawn and this breakout was. So this line is running. Now after few days, once this trend is running, this line will appear. Which I have to draw manually, but it will automatically come. After it sees 2-3 lows, you will draw them. So every bigger trend you will get. So this was one trend here. This was last trend line draw. First it was drawing this, then it's figured out that this is slightly slow, so it just changed the angle. Okay. This was the next trend it drew. So that came out of that, that's a bearish trend.
Whenever trend line is breaking,
And you can get an alert on the software also, because there is trend line is there na, as a part of premium pattern. Yes or no? So, but if you're watching on the chart, you can just give a click, it will automatically start drawing this for any stock. See this one. These are all drawn by software. So you can see all the past it has drawn. These are all uptrend line, these are downtrend line. So it automatically draws all kind of stuff based on that and then keeps you to track. You have to look for a short term trend. So when it came out of this, it should go. So you can use this kind of a tool for your thing. Yeah, it's quite pretty handy tool. So one is this. These are automatically drawn. One is the TCFL, and the third tool is we remove these things because there are too many things otherwise. Bollinger Band is there, but it's same thing. There's nothing special here. It's the standard one. But I'm just trying to show ones which are standard. So let me remove all the trend line, and then there's a TCBM. This is breakout trade. So there are two red and green lines. You can use them as a trailing stop loss also. Okay, it automatically draws that. Now you can. This is also available for intraday for 60-minute time. So if it breaks if green breaks, it's buy. If red breaks, it's sell. So if the red break, this is sell. Green broke, this is buy. Red break, sell. Green break, buy. This is breakout trade. So when you're doing breakout trades, you can use this. Red is sell, green is buy. So green breaks, buy. Red breaks, sell. This is how it has performed. Green breaks, buy. Red breaks, sell. Because people didn't know which line to be considered important. There are so many breakouts. So I made a software. So show the right breakout because there is no breakout here. You see, any breakout happened. So there is no buy here. If we have broke down, there is a sell. Because people are saying, it's a false breakout both.
Yeah.
This is buy here. There is no this sell is if red breaks. So when it closed below this is sell. When it closed above here, this is buy. This is buy here. This is sell. This sell is here. Close is here. Na? Close is below red. So if it closes below red, sell. If it closes above green, buy. So now it closed above green. Here it closed below red. Na? So it does a sell. Now it closed above green. Na? Here in this candle. Here. Sorry. Here. Where see my. So this buy. Right now. No, I am still.
No, I'm saying if you have sold there.
No, not see. You should why if you are sold here, you will not wait. You should book profit based. This is breakout, na. One breakout you will wait for reverse breakout. Yeah, you should trail the trailing stop loss on so many other ways, na. A more MACD MACD reversal will be a better idea. I wanted something faster. Now why you will wait for the reverse breakout for reversing your trade? Then you are saying only one buy and wait for the other sell. You lose some profit in that. Sell is a new trade. Buy is a new trade. The closer of cover order of that should not wait for the other breakout. Okay, now this is a buy and it continues driven buy. Even if you are trailed on this red, because anytime red breaches, you will still be here because it never broke.
So what is the difference between fractal band and this one?
This is fractal band. This is much more advanced than that. This is much more algorithm. Fractal is simple. This is real. This is little advanced.
These both look similar.
They are similar, but this is more advanced. So I would prefer. See, I keep writing more advanced version of code now because I have to improve my. See, if I was doing it, how will I do it? So I keep writing better codes and they keep writing. That's why these are modified bands. That's why it's called BM modified bands.
Is it
Okay.
okay to use the Fibonacci?
Yeah, you can use. I'll come to that. But is it clear this? So these are TCBM are breakout movement, breakout. Wherever you will get breakout, you will get. You can also do it for a 60-minute chart. And then you can get same TCBM. So here, this is a breakout on short side, a breakup on the outside, breakdown on the short side, breakout on the outside. So, okay. So you can do 60-minute or 30-minute, whatever. Like this is a breakout.
No, I'm not understanding this.
Green is for bullish breakout, red is for bearish breakout.
Okay.
So if this broke here, you are sold
red. It's here.
so you sell
Selling.
and then you keep selling
Okay.
till wherever you want to get out. Like you will have some profit or you will have some
Correct.
reversal. So once you are sitting on profit because you didn't get a bullish buy anyway, right? Your only buy came here.
Correct.
So then it become buy. Then after that
Okay.
there is only one sell here,
Got it.
and then they sell move till here and then this reverse and then Your trailing stop is
But those are
something.
very short sales.
Yeah. Because overall, if you go to higher time frame, it's in daily, and what is daily time frame in the bull direction? So you will see the life of bull trades are better than bear. That's a short term, but this is short term. Okay. So this is clear. TCBM and all these are automatically drawn for your life to be easy or whatever you call. You can also use like a trailing stop loss. Various like this support resistance breakouts. So you have TCBM and then TCFL and then these. Where is that? What is that? Oh, this is intraday. No? Sorry. Daily we have.
This is only for Premium Plus.
Yeah, everything is premium plus.
Is there a Premium membership and a Premium Plus membership?
Used to have. I removed premium. Nowadays I don't sell. Only old customers who got premium because premium does not have all this. So I didn't want to create two class of customers. ये लोग privilege इनको special मिलता है और उनको ordinary खाना मिलता है. So I said we'll only sell premium plus. Why deny? Because बाद में दुख होता है ना. You can say ये सब मेरे को नहीं मिला. So I felt like we should have only one class of customers. So we removed premium. I don't think so. We may have some very old customers who are premium.
I've been using it for years. I think I'm stuck at it.
Yes, thanks. So this you don't have.
I don't know. I should check.
No. ठीक है. So it's fine. So where was I? What was I trying to say? Okay. So you wanted to say Heikin-Ashi. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you convert to Heikin-Ashi, so you see this happens. So looking at this, what do you think it is? Now you know all four pillars, na? This is the indicator because if you put anywhere, na, you see you can get HA open, HA close. That means these are not real open, real close.
Correct.
So that means they are computed information. That means it's an indicator. Now looking at this, what kind of indicator it is?
What kind of?
It seems to represent.
Either a buy or a sell signal.
No, it represents trend indicator.
Okay.
So by the time it shows you green,
Mm-hmm.
now if you go to my March 27th candle, in candlestick it would have preempted it. If I move back to candlestick, this is March 26th. So you were in March 26, you would have known by March 27 it will come in Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi is a trend indicator, always lagging.
Okay.
Any reversal will always come a candlestick. So for you, when you trade with the Heikin-Ashi, it just replaces like a trend understanding. So it is just a computer. It just point is it's plotted on the chart, na? So you have to replace the chart. So you need two charts basically if you want to trade candles. One is candlestick, one is Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi is like a trend indicator. So use that as a trend indication and use this for trade. Because the real open, low, close, stop loss, everything is here. That is all computed information. Since the printout is in the candle form, you will have to create a new chart. So you should open this in a new way. It's not a new charting technique. It's an indicator plotted on the chart, replacing the original candle. Original candle is where, because here you can see gaps. There won't be any gaps. So I'm saying that is not a real one. That is all computed one. It's just a trend indication. So like you have moving average or your parabolic star, you have that. So any change of trend in that, you have to validate here and trade it.
Because I mean, some places that I read, it says it's easier to go with the Heikin-Ashi.
Easier means he just using that as a green and red signal. You can go and trade. It's like a trend signal. Like parabolics are used as a green and red. But for me, any change in that is a trigger, is an alert for me. I look here and trade. That's another way to look. And for some people, that is a substitution. But it's a trend indicator. You got it? So there are various kind of stuff. So I'm saying in future you should be able to segregate what you are seeing. There are only 4 categories. Everything belongs in these. There's nothing new. Okay. Am I clear? So we'll go to the how do you manage your long-term stuff and all that. So I just wanted to show that. What? Okay, so you can use all this and do the stuff. There. Mr. Rajiv, you are around, na? I guess.